Justice Secretary Remulla said that the Netherlands has denied the asylum request of former Secretary Harry Roque, who is now seeking asylum daw po in Germany. Now, he has denied it and said that it is fake news. Pero hingi lang po sana kami ng reaction sa palasyo, lalo na at nanawagan na rin po kayo noon na umuwi na siya sa Pilipinas at harapin yung kanyang mga kaso.
Opo, tandaan po natin, sinabi nga daw po ni Atty. Harry Roque na fake news si DOJ, si SOJ Remulla. Siguro po, wag natin kalimutan na may intelligence assets ang Department of Justice at ibinibigay nila ang mga karapatang impormasyon sa Department of Justice. At nagpapasalamat tayo because Atty. Harry Roque has been telegraphing his punches and the government and DOJ, we are ready for you.